Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw angles using the inner scale of the protractor. In my previous videos, I taught you how to draw angles by counting on the outer scale. In this video, I'll teach you how to draw angles by counting from the inner scale. Alright, so first you start with a line, and instead of drawing the point here, you draw the point here. And 0 will be here instead. If you recall from my previous video where we used the outer scale, my 0 was on the left with the line here. So if you use the inner scale, it will be the other way around. The line will be here, 0 will be here. The next few steps are actually pretty much the same. You put the protractor on, make sure that they align. And then, since 0 is here, you start counting from 0 here, which is the inner scale. Alright, this is 180, you do not use the outer scale. This is 0, so you use the inner scale. And you want to, let's say I want to draw an angle that is 40 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'll make a marking at 40 degrees here. Alright. This is not 140 degrees. This is 40 degrees because I am using the inner scale. Take away the protractor and draw the line down. Again, I repeat, the line that you draw must be touching the original line 0 and not up here or down here. Okay, so this is 40 degrees. You must always remember that after you draw your angle, you must label. So label. This is 40 degrees. Alright, this is drawing angles using the inner scale. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so this question says draw angle EFG to be 115 degrees, and we are going to try and use the inner scale. When you draw using a protractor, you can actually use both, either the outer scale or the inner scale. But in this example, I'm going to use the inner scale to show you how to draw 115 degrees. Alright, so as I mentioned previously, draw a line here, draw a straight line. Okay, this is 0. Put your protractor on. Okay, let's count 115 degrees together. 0 is here, and we are using the inner scale because 0 is here. 0, 10, 20, 90, 100, 110, and 115. Alright, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. Alright, so now I will take away my protractor and draw the line down. Okay, I've drawn the line, so label. This is EFG, which means F is where the angle is, E is here, and this would be G. And this is 115 degrees. Okay, like I mentioned, you can use either the outer scale or the inner scale to draw angles. I would personally recommend using the outer scale to draw angles because it is easier for you to count the numbers and the lines on the outside rather than the inner scale, which the numbers are on the inside. But it's a personal preference, so choose whichever works best for you.